In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books, a handy tool for anyone looking to keep track of their business transactions with ease. First, let's start by navigating to your Zoho Books dashboard. This can typically be found by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice a plethora of options. Today, our focus is on recording an expense, so let's move ahead and get started. Now that we're on the dashboard, look for the Purchases option. You'll find it on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking on Purchases will lead you to the section where you can manage various transactions related to your purchases, including expenses. Next, under the Purchases section, you'll see another tab labeled Expenses. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can view and manage all your past expenses and add new ones. To start recording a new expense, look for the New button. This is generally located near the top of the Expenses page. By clicking this button, you'll open a new blank form where you can input all the necessary details for your expense. The first detail to enter is the date of the expense. Click on the Date field and a calendar should pop up, allowing you to easily select the date when the expense occurred. Accurately recording dates is crucial for keeping your records organized. Once you've chosen a date, it's time to move on to the Employee field. If you're recording an expense for a team member, select the right employee from the drop-down list. This adds clarity to your financial records by linking expenses to specific individuals. Next, choose the expense account. This refers to the category under which the expense falls, such as travel, utilities, or office supplies. Selecting the proper expense account ensures that your financial reports accurately represent your spending. After that, type in the amount of the expense. Enter this value carefully to avoid discrepancies in your accounting. Then you'll see an Amount Is drop-down. Use this to indicate whether the entered amount is inclusive or exclusive of tax, which affects the reporting of your net and gross expenses. Once that's done, select the payment method. This could be cash, a bank transfer, or any other payment means you've used. Selecting the Paid Through option correctly helps in reconciling your accounts with your bank statements. Don't forget to select any applicable tax if your expense involves one. Now, let's move on to the Reference Number and Notes fields. The reference number is an optional field for any additional identifiable information, such as a receipt number. In the Notes section, you can add any extra details pertaining to the expense, which might be relevant for future reference. If this expense is associated with a particular customer, select or add the appropriate customer from the list. This will help in generating customer-specific reports. Finally, ensure everything is correct and click on Save to record your expense. Once saved, this expense will appear in your list of recorded expenses under the current fiscal period. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded an expense in Zoho Books. Easy and efficient, right? Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.